Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today, we are going to be creating a logo. A logo is a symbol or image that represents a company or organization. We're going to be using an online free app called Free Logo Design. Scroll all the way down and you're going to click www.logodesign.org. We're selecting Get Started. The first thing that you will see are different ready-made logos. You can use them and edit, and you have different categories on the side that you can use. But today we're going to be creating ours from start. So we're going to select Cancel. We have different icons. There's the text icon, the shape icon, the add icon, add a logo, which would take us back to what we had seen before, but we're not using that. You have the background color, which we can go ahead and change from white and add a color of your choice. I'm going to keep mine white. I'm going to press select. You have the same icons that are here. They are on the side. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and add is my text. And we're creating logos to represent ourselves. And I'm going to go ahead and edit. You can edit your text in this box, or you can edit it in this box. The choice is yours. So I'll go ahead and I'll add my name. Here we have the different font styles. You can select which one represents you. So I'm going to use a finger paint font style because it's fun. I'm going to go ahead and drag my name a bit lower and increase the font size by drawing on the rectangle. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a shape to my logo. There are different shapes. I like this shape, so I'm going to use this shape to add it at the top. Select color to change the color of my shape. Go ahead and add select. Now I'm going to add an icon. Now there are different icons. Because I'm a teacher, I'm going to go ahead and search for teacher icons. I'm going to select this icon as my teacher icon. Place it in the middle. Make it smaller. I'm going to go ahead and change the color of the board. Change my board to yellow, darker green. I'm going to change my skirt to another color. Now, if you noticed, we have some other icons on this side. For the flip icon, you can change the image. If you want it to go in the other direction, the up, down, change it. You can also flip it the other way. You can move up There's also the different layers. If you want to bring it forward, bring it back, it's up to you. Rotate if you want to change the angles of it. You want to make it bigger, you can use the scale button, or you can just drag the sides of the box to make it bigger. For the last touch, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. When you're finished with your logo, click the Save button, select Download, add your name, your email address, then you can go ahead and open your email. They will email you a copy of your logo, and you can simply select Download. Now, I had fun with you today in art class. See you next time.